Hi, we're here at the front door. And here's the lanai where you had obviously come before. It's a little spot there. I'm not sure what that is, but you probably saw that when you were in here. As you know, there's a storage right here on the front where the washer and dryer is, as well as the hot water heater. It's missing the button there on the dryer. When we go in the unit, this is what you could probably see from the window. Oops. Needs definitely paint and cleaning. Here's the apparently the air unit, and I don't have electricity to be able to check that though. So this here would be your living room, dining room combination. Since it is a studio, there's your walkway to the kitchen. And then it has an accordion door that separates this bedroom area. So as you can see, there's the accordion door. And it pulls across to give you a separate bedroom area. Has two different types of tile, one like on the border, and then one in the center of the room. There's the closet, and your attic access. Looks like they had a TV on the wall before. It's a carbon monoxide detector. Just needs some TLC. I don't see any roof leaks or anything like that at this point. Here would be another closet here for coats or vacuum or whatever. You see the bathroom. Just real dirty. Looks like it has a handicapped alarm there. There's your mirror. And look out into where the bedroom would be in the living area. And there's your kitchen bar area. The kitchen has a different flooring, as you can see there. And the kitchen has a closet that should be, I guess, is a pantry, but they didn't put any shelves except for this one to hang stuff. And floor area. And your cabinets and your fan, refrigerator area, your sink, there's the dishwasher. There would be another actual kitchen pantry. So that's quite a few closets in here. I'm almost afraid to open this fridge. It's going to be all closed up in there. It's not as bad as it could be. It doesn't really have a horrible odor, which I thought it might. And the stove needs some cleaning. Cabinets are real dirty, just need some major elbow grease. And this closet's off the hinges here in the kitchen. But with some TLC, I think it could be very, very cute.